Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to use credit to scale your business without going into debt. If you've ever wondered how to grow your business without drowning in financial stress, this video is for you. Before we jump in, I want to let you know that I've included some valuable resources in the description below. So after watching, be sure to check them out to continue your journey. Whether it's the best business credit cards or tools to help manage your finances, those resources will give you the edge you need to scale your business responsibly. All right, let's dive into today's topic. Every growing business faces a challenge. How do you fund expansion, increase inventory, or hire new staff without draining your cash flow? This is where credit comes in. Smart credit use gives you the capital you need to take advantage of new opportunities without dipping into your hard-earned profits. It's all about leverage, getting access to money now to fuel growth, and then paying it off in a way that doesn't hurt your business. But here's the flip side. Without a clear strategy, credit can quickly become overwhelming debt. Imagine using a business loan to buy equipment, but then struggling to make payments. Suddenly, that growth you were aiming for turns into financial stress. To avoid this, you need a plan. Credit should be used to fund growth that actually generates returns. The first step to smart credit use is knowing your limits. Don't borrow more than what your business can realistically pay back. Start small and grow your credit as your business grows. If you're taking out a loan or using a business line of credit, make sure your monthly payments won't choke your cash flow. The key is to use credit to fund things that will make you more money, not just put you further in debt. Next, let's talk business credit cards. These can be great for covering day-to-day expenses while earning rewards. But, and this is a big but, only if you pay off your balance in full each month. Otherwise, the interest charges can erase any benefit. Business credit cards are best used for expenses you would pay for anyway, like supplies or travel, while earning points or cash back to reinvest in your business. The real power of credit lies in using it to invest in assets that create a return on investment, ROI. For example, using a loan to purchase new equipment that helps you serve more customers or expanding inventory that sells quickly. If your credit is being used to make money, not just to cover shortfalls, you're on the right track. This way, the credit is self-sustaining because the investment generates revenue to cover the loan or credit line. So how do you balance credit use without falling into debt? It's all about managing your cash flow effectively. Use credit as a tool for growth, not as a safety net. Monitor your spending, track your ROI, and ensure that every dollar borrowed is being put to work in your business. The goal is to use credit to build your business, not to become a burden. That's a wrap on how to use credit to scale your business without going into debt. Remember, credit is a powerful tool when used wisely, and the strategies we've covered today will help you grow your business without the financial strain. If you're ready to take the next step, don't forget to check out the video description below for some valuable resources. Whether it's finding the right business credit cards or tools to manage your finances, those resources are designed to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow business owners. See you in the next video.